In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable related products in WooCommerce. If you are using WooCommerce, you've probably seen that section at the bottom of your product pages that shows related products. Sometimes that's helpful, but in many cases, you might want a cleaner, more focused product page without any distractions. In this walkthrough, I'll show you a simple way to hide those related products using only your WordPress dashboard, without touching any plugin settings or theme files directly. First, go ahead and log into your WordPress admin dashboard. Once you're in, look over to the menu on the left-hand side. Find the item labeled Appearance. Don't click it yet. Instead, hover your mouse over it. A small submenu will slide out. From that submenu, choose Editor. This will open the Site Editor, which lets you control the overall design of your theme. When the editor loads, look again at the left panel inside the screen. You should see an option called Styles. Click on Styles, and a new Styles panel will open on the left side of your screen. This is where you can control the visual appearance of your site. At the top right corner of the Styles panel, there's a small More Options icon, usually represented by 3 dots. Click on that icon, and from the drop-down that appears, select Additional CSS. This will open a code field where you can add custom CSS that applies across your entire site. In this field, you're going to paste the CSS code that disables the related products section in WooCommerce. I've already prepared this code for you. You can pause the video and check the description box, where I've added a link to a file containing the exact same code I'm using here. Simply copy that code and paste it into the additional CSS box. Once you've pasted the code, look to the very leftmost panel of the editor. At the bottom, you'll see a button that says something like Review One Change. Click that button, and a pop-up will appear showing you a summary of the changes you're about to apply. This is just a final confirmation step. Review the change, make sure everything looks correct, and then click Save at the bottom right of the pop-up. After it finishes saving, your related products section should no longer appear on your WooCommerce product pages.